I go call you back. Yay!
What be this?
Hi everyone. This is your girl, Self Afusa. Long time no see you. Your self traveling. That's why I went to Chinese restaurants to go and secure knowledge. So right now, I'm back to come and teach you how to cook perfect beans maize mixture that Yoruba people call Adalu. Let's begin. As you all know, we have our ingredients here. We have our beans, ewa. We have our maize, agbado. We have our sugar. We have our salt. We have our maggi. We have our roro. We have our curry thyme, and we also have our pepper. And in today's episode is going to be explosion free. So let's begin. This is our pot. As you can see, it's washed already. We now on our gas. So as you can see, our pot is on the fire already. So we are waiting for the water to dry off. We will now take our specially made beans. We will now pour it inside our dry pot. So right now, we will now take our salt. We will now take our maggi. So we will now pour our maggi. So right now, we will now put a little sugar to make it stereo. So right now, we will now pour our curry and thyme.
That's what I do for you. Hey! What be this?
So right now, we will now mix it together.
Jesus.
They gradually process something.
Blood of
now,
Jesus.
we will now put our specially made pepper.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
After we have put our pepper, we now stir it together.
Jesus!
It's coming out very nice.
Funny people.
You guys should not forget that we are preparing a perfect beans maize mixture, which is Adalu. So right now, we now carry our agbado. We now put it on the fire.
God have mercy upon us.
It's very perfect.
What be this? Jesus.
So right now, we'll now cover it up. Hello, Taju. Kini sẹ́sìn gbá? Hello, Taju. Kilo ni sẹ́sìn gbá? What is sẹ́sìn play? Yeah, over 2.5. Go ni mo. Hello, Taju. What do you say that they play? Sexy will be the one to kill me. I talk and see that processing. No, he don't go select. Wait, hello, Taju. Oh, this thing pay me now. He don't cut with that. So, hello, Taju. I go call you back. I put something for fire. I go call you back. Yay! Another explosion. Mudana.
Tunix Film shot it.